Hello and welcome to your practice. I'm Jazz and thank you so much for joining me in this somatic flow for hip mobility practice. Make sure you have plenty of space and are on comfortable ground. Let's begin. Come meet me on your back with your knees bent and get yourself completely comfortable on your mat. Soften your pelvis, your shoulders. Soften the space between your eyes. And let's begin to soften our breath by breathing in and out of your nose if you can. And begin to tune into this practice with gentle breaths in and out of your nose. And let's make an intention to be focused and in this present moment as you move your body in this somatic flow. Gentle breath in through your nose and then sighing it all out. One more time, gentle breath in and sighing it all out. Just take a moment to notice how your body is feeling. Just giving it a word or two without judgment. Bring one leg at a time up to tabletop, placing your hands just in your knee pit. And begin just creating some small movements with your knees and your legs, just taking them out to the side. Just go to where is good for you today. Creating your own free form here. You can straighten out your legs or just kind of like steering them. And just soften your throat. Feeling each of your exhales. Letting go of more tension. And just coming into this moment. Just notice how your hip is feeling and any release. You can also let go of your hands and just placing them on the floor as you continue to steer your wheel or your knees from side to side. And then bring your legs up completely into the air and just start walking. Just imagine you're walking somewhere pleasant, it's a nice day, and you want to move your body. Just moving your legs up and down just to where it's comfortable, not any strain. And gentle breaths in and out of your nose. And then just releasing, just let your legs relax in the air, bending your knees, sending some relief to your lower spine. Gentle breaths in, focusing in this moment. And then gently place your feet back down, straightening out your right leg, your left knee is bent. Now we're going to hitch up your hip up towards your rib cage. So try to keep your torso as still as possible and just feel as one side is contracting and the other side is lengthening. So gentle breath in and imagine you're moving your hip up towards your rib cage. So your hip is going to slightly move up and the side is contracting, and as your straightened leg is going to feel that strength and the lengthening. And then gently releasing your hip to the starting point. Straighten out your leg. Just notice how you're feeling. Each side might be a little bit different. One side, well, the side I just did feels a little bit more sunken in towards the ground. Now bending your right knee, foot on the mat. Gentle breath in and then hitch your hip up towards your rib. And just notice what's going on in your body. You should feel a nice stretch in your left hip. And then gently releasing. Straighten out both of your legs. Just notice how you feel, what's going on. Just witnessing and tuning in, just observing, not making any judgment. This is your body in this moment and it's beautiful and perfect. Now bending your left knee, and again hitching, moving your hip, that side of your hip up towards your rib cage. Gentle breaths, and then gently releasing. Straighten out your leg, just notice how you feel. Relaxing your face. Bring your right knee up, foot on your mat. Gentle breath in as you hitch your right hip up towards your rib cage, really feeling that lengthening in your left side and hip. And then gently releasing, straighten both your legs. Take a gentle breath in through your nose, and then sighing it all out, just letting it all go. Now I want you to bend one knee to the side, keeping your leg on the ground and your head goes the other direction. Let your leg just relax and surrender, not holding it up. Then straighten out your leg and then bending your other knee up. And your head turning the other way. You can have your eyes opened or closed. Just go into a sensation that feels good for you. Internal, external, they're both okay. And just alternating from side to side as one knee goes up, your head the other way. But just really surrender, letting go of holding up your leg, relaxing your glutes and your belly. Breathing in your own natural rhythm, not holding your breath. And this time, as you come to one side, just holding here. Gentle breath in. And then breathe out, sighing it all out. Just letting go. And then releasing. Let's go to the other side. Gentle breath in. And sighing it all out. Releasing, straighten out your leg, just letting go, get nice and comfortable, your palms up. And let's just scan our body and notice how we are feeling in this moment. Any new energy or any new feelings, just notice what comes to mind. And just become aware of your body breathing and your body lying on your mat. And bring some awareness into your body, just moving around how it feels good for you. Bending your knees. And then gently roll onto your side. And just relaxing your head on your hands as a pillow. Keeping a soft gaze. And then gently coming up into a comfortable seated position. Hands resting by your side or on your body. And before we go, I would like you just to reflect on this question of what makes it good to be you at this moment. What do you like to wake up to every day? Just notice what comes to mind and smiling as you answer this question. Just one thing that makes it good to be you in this moment. Bring your palms together at your chest center and thanking your body and your mind for the practice it has just completed. Gently coming up and looking around the space you are in. Welcome back. Thank you so much for joining me in this session. I hope you liked it and I look forward to seeing you soon.